First at 11, our thoughts and prayers are with the parents of a kindergarten student in Detroit who died from an unknown illness. The child was suffering from flu-like symptoms. Thank you so much for joining us for 7 Action News at 11. I'm Carolyn Clifford. Now, according to the latest information released to us tonight by the Michigan Health Department, 2 elementary schools in Detroit are affected by this, including Marcus Garvey Academy. Tonight, we spoke to a doctor and have warning signs for when parents should head to the emergency room with their child. Marcus Garvey Academy on Van Dyke and East Verner on the city's east side will be closed until Monday. The Detroit Public School Community District made this decision after the death of a kindergarten student with flu-like symptoms died last week. We spoke to a local doctor tonight.
Really, a flu outbreak can really happen any time of the year, even in Michigan or really anywhere.
Now, contrary to what many people may think, the flu is not just a bad cold or stomach bug. In fact, the CDC says it is a serious respiratory illness that kills between 12,000 and 61,000 people every year in the U.S. since 2010. Now, the medical examiner has not announced an exact cause of death for this child, but understandably, it has parents in the district on edge.
It's absolutely not very common, but unfortunately, we do see it. That is one reason, of course. We ask our kids to get their flu shot every year. We want to decrease the risk of those most severe cases.
The district releasing a statement saying, in part, the school has experienced an unusually high rate of flu-like symptoms this week, including student fevers and vomiting, namely in the early grades.
Schools have their own policies, but in this day and age, really, safety is the most important thing. Of course, you want to try to decontaminating those areas where there might have been exchange of those germs, either by saliva, coughing, sneezing, any of that. So, I'm not totally surprised that they would take those steps.
We also got a new statement from the health department saying, in part, it is working with DPSCD and the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services to monitor and trace all reported illnesses among students at that location. We do not yet have confirmation of the cause and will share that information with Detroiters once that information has been confirmed. Also, parents and caregivers of children ages 4 to 7 should monitor their children for symptoms and seek medical care promptly if their child experiences fever, headache, are lethargic, nauseous, or vomiting, or has abdominal pain. Bottom line, if your child is experiencing any of these symptoms, please seek help immediately and make sure your child is up to date on vaccines, which are provided by the Detroit Health Department. You can head to our website at WXYZ.com for more on this story and information on vaccinations for childhood diseases.